Welcome back to our channel Tech World, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Comcast account using email. So it's pretty simple. So follow the steps, which I'm going to be showing. But remember, this Comcast basically helps you manage your TV service. So Comcast is a TV service provider. So basically, with Comcast, if you log in into your Comcast account in your mobile or your laptop, you can watch TV anywhere. So that's the basic advantage of Comcast. Alright, so hope you guys understand what Comcast is in a short from. If you want to know about as long from, then you can watch a video explaining Comcast, because if I do that right now is going to be a long video. So follow the steps for email login of Comcast. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, Tech World. First step, search for Comcast, email, log in and click on sign into your Comcast email account or voicemail service. It'll take you to this website over here. You need to click on where it says email sign in page. You can click on it and it's going to straight up take you to the email sign in page of Comcast over here. So wait for some time until it loads up. But this is basically the help page of Comcast. Alright, this is not some extra website. So it's going to take you over here. You need to enter your email address over here just like I'm doing. And after this, you just need to click and let's go. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for other information like your passport and other stuff. And it should work. But if you enter a wrong email, it's not going to take you to the next step. Just like in my case, I entered a dummy email because I cannot enter my real email for security reason. That's why it's not taking me to the next step. But you need to enter our original email over here, which is linked with Comcast, and it'll take you to the next step. Alright, so that's how you guys can log in into a Comcast account using your email. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. I'll see you guys next time.